Okay, Lamborghini Mercy. Yo, chick, she so thirsty.
Hi guys, and welcome back to OneLife Rally channel. Today we are in beautiful Switzerland. It's a little bit cold, so I'm in my fur coat to keep me warm. Having a look at one of the most beautiful designs in cars ever, I think. Let's have a look. Okay guys, so today we're going to be having a look at the Lambo, what I like to call Lambo Murcielago SV. Look how stunning it is. Beautiful matte black paint job all the way through, as you can see. Look how amazing this color looks. I've been trying not to get the car dirty, guys. Every time I touch the car, I'm up here wiping it clean so I don't leave any fingerprints. So we're going to have a quick look around the exterior of the car before we hop inside and see what it looks like. As you can see, we've got 18-inch Lamborghini wheels through the front and back, matte all the way through. Here we have a carbon fiber spoiler. They are extra light carbon fiber spoilers, so it does help the car go faster. The lighter the car is, the faster it will go. As you can see the engine here, look how awesome this looks. I can't wait to pop this open so we can have a look inside. The years of production for this car was only through 2001 to 2010, so 9 years they made the Murcielago and then they stopped. They have not been making it anymore. Pretty much what you see on the streets is what you will get. This car has 670 horsepower, guys, so it's extremely fast. V12, 6.5 liter, guys, and it goes from 0 to 100 in how many seconds? I'm gonna wait for you guys to write in the comments how many seconds you think this baby goes from 0 to 100. All right, guys, what did you guess? Was your guess correct? 3.2 seconds it takes to go from 0 to 100. That is ridiculously fast. Maximum speed, guys, of this is 342 kilometers per hour, so that goes ridiculously fast. I would not recommend driving that fast, guys, unless you're on OneLife Rally, because it is very dangerous. Oh, another thing, how could I forget? Laura, look at the doors. Are beautiful, as you guys know, I like to call them suicide doors, gull wing doors, butterfly doors, however you like to call them. This is what makes the Lambo, definitely. You just feel like a boss when you hop out of this car and your doors pop open. Anyways, guys, let's hop inside and have a look and see what this Lambo looks like. Like I said, this is the Lamborghini Murcielago SV, which means it's 100 kilos lighter than the normal Lamborghini Murcielago, which just takes it to that next level and helps it go that little bit faster that you might need it to go sometimes. Fun fact, Murcielago actually got its name from a Mexican fighting bull. So there you go. If you didn't know that, guys, now you know. Let's have a look at some of the interior, guys, because it is absolutely amazing. There's so much carbon fiber in here, like I can't deal. As you can see, we have racing seats here. The reason why Lamborghini placed the racing seats into the car is just so the driver can feel, if you've hopped into a Lamborghini before, you'll feel that the seats are very tight and sturdy. As I said in my last video, they're not that comfortable, but the reason for that is, guys, so that it can properly restrain your body so you can drive safely and have full control of the vehicle. Because when you're driving a car that goes at max speed or top speed of 342, you have to have full control over the vehicle, so your moves will have to be literally very precise and slow, and this seat helps you because it sort of locks your shoulders in to push them forward, just to make sure that you have like the perfect grip on the wheel. The seats, guys, are carbon fiber, very light seats, but they are wrapped in Alcantara. As you can see, even the roofing, literally, guys, this whole vehicle almost down to the flooring is Alcantara. It's ridiculous. As you can see, this is number 70 of 350. As you can see, all the way through here, carbon all the way through. I've never seen carbon actually on the dashboard as well, which looks just absolutely crazy nice. Here we have the beautiful Lamborghini symbol. Look how beautiful that looks. That is so nice. What you can do here is you pop this open, guys, and then you have all of your climate controls here. So if you want to cover them, because really they're not that pretty, who wants to look at a bunch of buttons? Also, we have an installed Kenwood display here, so you can play whatever music you like, music videos you want to watch, OneLife Rally videos you want to watch, my videos that you want to watch, guys. You can pop them here and you can watch them while you're having a little drive. I definitely do not recommend watching videos whilst driving. Safety first. So when you're parked in your neutral position, then you can sit back and watch some videos on this Kenwood display. The steering wheel, have a look at this. It's full Alcantara. You have small carbon details to the steering wheel, but look at this. This is like next level luxury, guys. Have a look at the paddle shifters. The paddle shifters are carbon as well. Like, who does that? Only Lamborghini does that. So I just have to show you. I just noticed something. I left the car doors open when we hopped in. I didn't shut them, and I just noticed something. I've said to you guys, this car is absolutely full carbon. Have a look at this. This is just like next level. Like, I honestly can't even do it. When I saw it, I was like, come on, really? Full carbon door, literally all the way through, which is absolutely nuts. That's why the Lamborghini Murcielago SV, guys, is so much more faster than just the plain normal Murcielago, because it's almost, I think, 100 kilos lighter, a lot lighter. Plus you have all of this extra carbon added into the car, so this thing is absolutely a beast. Fun fact, guys, this vehicle, well, not actually this vehicle, but the LP640 was actually in Batman Dark Knight, because this absolutely looks like a Batmobile. And the first thing I said was, this must have been in a Batman movie. So I went to Google straight away, and we actually found out that Christian Bale actually crashed this car in Batman Dark Knight. Fun fact. Now, I know what you've all been waiting for. You guys want to see what the boot looks like, you guys want to see the engine, and you guys want to hear how this baby sounds. So let's hop outside and have a look at all of those. For your favorite segment in the video, can Laura fit in the boot? Now, because this car is matte black, guys, and I have like 12-inch heels on, I don't want to risk jumping in here because I'm going to scratch the guy's car, and you already know what's going to happen if I scratch someone's Murcielago. So as you can see here, we can fit a couple of duffel bags easily in there, so you can definitely take this on your OneLife rally trip with just a few of your personal belongings. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's hop at the back, guys, and have a look and see what the engine looks like. I had a sneak peek, and I need to tell you guys, it is absolutely insane.
Okay, Lamborghini Mercy, yo chick, she so thirsty.
I told you guys, this car is absolutely carbon all the way through. Look at this, carbon through here, carbon engine. Absolutely insane. I told you guys it was V12 6.5 liter. Just refreshing your memory in case some of you guys forgot. Lambo through there. It's just literally, I could have this in my living room and just look at the engine all day, how beautiful it is. But enough about the looks of the engine. We want to know what it sounds like, right, cameraman? Let's go. For the moment you've been waiting for. I didn't think my outfit was the smartest decision for hopping in a Lamborghini. But you guys know me, a fashion killer. Not bad, guys, not bad. But we haven't even revved it yet. Let's see what it sounds like. How sick does that sound, guys? It sounds absolutely crazy. The amazing thing is, I don't know if you guys heard, but the engine literally sounds crystal clear. Like, the sound is just so crystal clear and perfect. All right, hold on, I'll passenger door. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If there's any other Lambos that you guys want us to film, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that sub and like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next clip, guys. Bye.